Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience. In this video, we're diving into the vast digital marketplace of Amazon.com. Navigating this online retail giant can feel overwhelming with its sheer volume of products, sellers, and services. From everyday essentials and cutting-edge electronics to books, clothing, and even groceries, Amazon offers a seemingly endless selection. But how do you sift through the millions of listings to find exactly what you're looking for? And how can you ensure you're getting the best possible deal? We'll explore the various features and tools Amazon provides to enhance your shopping experience. This includes utilizing search filters to narrow down your results, understanding the nuances of customer reviews and ratings, and comparing prices from different sellers. We'll also touch upon Amazon's own product lines, such as Amazon Basics and Amazon Essentials, which offer budget-friendly alternatives to name-brand items. Beyond the basics of buying and selling, we'll delve into other services Amazon offers, like Prime membership, which provides benefits such as free 2-day shipping and access to streaming services. We'll also discuss Kindle Unlimited, a subscription service for avid readers, and Amazon Music, which offers a vast library of songs and podcasts. Understanding these services can significantly enhance your overall Amazon experience. Whether you're a seasoned Amazon shopper or just starting out, this video aims to provide valuable insights and practical tips to help you navigate the platform effectively. We'll cover strategies for finding the best deals, avoiding common pitfalls, and maximizing the value you get from your Amazon purchases. From understanding seller ratings and utilizing customer reviews to exploring different shipping options and utilizing Amazon's customer service, this guide will empower you to make informed purchasing decisions and unlock the full potential of Amazon.com.